Hey guys, it's Yatis again from Advertiser Media. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a default reply for your messenger. So let's just get into the action. So once you are here in Manychat, so if you don't know what Manychat is again a chatbot platform tool where you can create automated chatbot flow for your Instagram, for your Messenger, Telegram, WhatsApp, and all that. So just head over to Manychat by going to your external browser like Microsoft Edge or maybe your Chrome, and just go to the search bar and just type www.manychat.com and just sign in for free. So Manychat is actually free to use. You can also buy the pro version because the pro version has a lot of features. But right now I'm using free version and I'm gonna create a default reply here. So I'll just go to the settings, and from there just go to Messenger. Here you will see Instagram Messenger, SMS, email, and all that platforms where you can create your own chatbot fields. But in our case, we are going to Messenger here because we're creating a default reply. So once you're here, you're going to see all these fields. But here we're going to create a default reply. We also have welcome message template already built up right here. But I'll go and create a new default reply. So click on your default reply, go to edit flow. So I've already created my default reply before. So today I'm going to create a newer one. This was actually for Botox marketing. So now I really don't need this, so I'll just delete everything. So let's just create a new message. So what would be my new message be? So I'll just simply say down. Now I'll just scroll down again. Like, I love using delay buttons because for some reason it just makes the chatbot quite lively. So now I'll say website. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to put here. We are a team of expert individuals. Hey, this is just a demo flow that I'm creating. I'm not so good with the sentences that I'm using. I know about that, but still, I'm kind of like learning to do it all by myself instead of being all dependent on in ChatGPT. Sorry. So once what was the message? We are a team of expert individuals who help businesses grow. So that's what I'm going to say. The first one would be learn about ads. Second one would be learn about chat. And last but not the least would be about schedule for a call. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm also gonna put one more delay really up here, and I'm gonna make it of 2 seconds. Yeah, that's better. And instead of using like this text button right here, I can use this gallery part right here. I can upload an image. So through gallery, you can like upload image. You can steal more about the services that you're providing and all that. So in my case, I'm just creating a blog. I still have no idea if I have the image that I'm looking for. So there we go. I'm going to use this one. And for the second one, I think I will use if I have a chatbot piece, it's gonna be much more better for me, but I don't think I have a chatbot picture right now. Should have one chatbot pic. Oh, there we go. Here we go. I have a chatbot pic. So I'll just use this one for an example. So what I'm gonna say here is I'm gonna put the title like the power of Facebook into a larger scale. I don't know if that's correct. I think that looks nice. And I'll go down here. For this, I'm just gonna write 20%. I cannot add more than that text. So yeah, it kind of look good, I think. So for website, I'm just gonna say, I'm just gonna add a button instead of using quick reply, and I'm just gonna say click me. I love adding emojis also, so I'm gonna add some funny emoji here. Where is that? Sometimes you don't actually find the things that you're looking for. I think this is not this one. This looks stupid. I think this is the one, but it looks kind of different than no, not this one. There it is. Eyes are getting blurry. So for this one, I'm not gonna be using any messenger flow. I'm gonna be using a website here. So I'm just gonna put my website name. So for the web view size, I'm just gonna keep it 75%. Click done, and that's basically it. So when someone clicks here, they will be redirected to my website. Yeah, that's pretty much how it goes. So for the about us page, we have this one. So I'm gonna finish with blog. I'm gonna add a delay, and I think adding a video would be much more it will look much more better than adding a text here. But I don't have a video. I can use audio, by the way, but let's see if I have any videos. Try to find if I have any videos, any sort of videos that I can use for a better engagement. So I have this advertising video right here, so I'm gonna put this. So I'm gonna put this video. It's gonna take a little bit of time. So yeah, what's the same download file? I don't know what just happened. Oh, so it even means if someone needs to get access to this video, then they need to download this file. So no, that's gonna be useless. I've never used the video format before Manychat. So in this case, I'm gonna use user input. User input. I can use this user input in default reply right now because I need to make this default reply as free as possible because I'm not using like pro version. So I'm just gonna use a text. So you want to see. I'm just gonna say hell yeah, and I'm gonna put in emoji. Yeah, a monkey would be a better one, and I'm just gonna put another like absolutely. I'm gonna put a cat, and the next one would be like, I guess so. Not sure would be better. I don't want to create like too much flow and waste my time. Sure. And for sure, I'll just cowboy won't be better. For sure, I'll just put a color. That's gonna be better. Let's finish this flow now. But hell yeah, I'm gonna be awesome. I'm gonna use system field with first name. So if someone chats with my chatbot, so my chatbot will also mention their name here. Also first name. Is there anything that I'll just say no. That's how you create a chatbot, my friend. For absolutely else, I'm not going to sing. For sure, I'm just gonna make it a funny chatbot. Okay, I'm gonna say seems like you are a moody one. Yes, go to hell. So once you're done like this, if they click on yes, now I'm thinking of a joke. Let me think. And if you want to see how this joke actually looks like, then head over to your Facebook, search for ADVERTISOR space MEDIA advertising media, chat with our chatbot there, and you'll also get access to our joke that I've just created here. Okay, so what I should be creating here is I'm just gonna go here. Lucky, you're in the chance of it. Lucky, I should have this. Boom, boom. Message. My message is something like. So there we go. We have added some of the funny thing that I've ever done with the chatbot. I mean, I don't know. But moving ahead, hell yeah, I have a question. Sure, go to hell. If someone says go to hell to me, I'll say definitely. Put some emoji. So I've got a question for you for the next flow. I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna hide my joke from you guys because I want that to be as a secret. So awesome. Is there anything that you would like to know? Write us a question below the chat. But that's it. I would love to. Oh, if someone pressed that, I'll just say hot. And if someone says no, not interested, then I will just say, I'll just be like, just give them a donut. Go here. No. As I said, I am preparing a joke for you. Just hold on for a sec. Now for this, I will again add a delay. And I need this 5 seconds. And I'm gonna connect this flow with my other message flow, the joke flow. So if someone's not interested, then I'll just say. I don't know what made me just put that emoji there. But yeah, I'm gonna connect this. And also I'm gonna connect this with this flow. Now, for learn about ads, let's make it fast now. So we basically create advertising campaign for your business. Yeah. So joke aside, guys, we also need to be professional here. So I'll keep on asking them or asking my clients a question. But for people who are much more on a humorous side, they can just go to those messages below and check our jokes. But one thing that I'm gonna do also is I'm gonna connect each of these flows so that they can go and see my jokes. So for that, we come up with something. Tell me more about add more, or we can just say I have a question. So that's gonna be better. Ooh. Yeah. Now the next one will schedule. And for I have a question. Feel free. So there we go. I'm gonna connect with that. Schedule. The schedule, I'm just gonna say before you schedule for a call, leave your date, name, and your email address. here in the chat. We are kind of done with our chat, with our technically chatbots. That can help them without. Oh my god, I have so many mistakes. Oh, okay, because they will make it done. I have a voice. Oops. Look, done. So if they say I have a question, I will say them. I have a question. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna publish them. Publish. Huh? Oh, still need to add text here. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. And our chatbot is published. And like I said, if you wanna see how our chatbot looks like, how this default reply actually looks like, just go to your Facebook, search for advertising media, and check our chatbot flow. You'll also get the access to see at what kind of jokes are created with this chatbot. And you can also create one just similar to mine or maybe better than mine with the help of this chatbot and by using Manychat. And once again, thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye. So if you are in your mobile home screen, just go to your Facebook and click on the search bar and search for advertiser media. This right here is my page. Once you are here, just go to my page, click on message right here, message, and once you are here, all you gotta do is send me a hi or a hello text, and my chatbot flow will then trigger. But I've already done that previously, so yeah, that's pretty much how you can chat with my chatbot, and you will also get access to my joke that I've prepared for you guys. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for your time, and thank you for considering. I don't know what to say after that. Just bye.